Are you tired of battling stubborn dirt and grime on your floors? If traditional mops and buckets aren't cutting it, it might be time to consider a steam mop. These innovative cleaning devices harness the power of steam to sanitize surfaces, eliminate bacteria, and leave your floors sparkling clean with minimal effort. In this video, we'll take a look at some of the best steam mops available today, highlighting their features, benefits, and what to look for to find the perfect match for your cleaning needs. Let's dive in. If you want to see the price and find out more information about these products, you can check out the links in the description below. And make sure you like the video, subscribe our channel, and hit the bell icon for future updates. Without further ado, let's get started with the list. Starting our list with number 5, we have the Euroflex Vapour Pro M4S Steam Mop. If you're looking for a reliable and effective solution for your household cleaning tasks, the Euroflex Vapour Pro M4S Steam Mop is designed to be your ultimate cleaning companion. With a built-in boiler that generates hot, dry, and pressurized steam, this steam mop is ready to tackle even your most challenging cleaning jobs. What sets this device apart is its versatility. By easily removing the two wands, you can transform it into a lightweight handheld steamer, allowing you to reach tight spaces and clean various surfaces, from grills to intricate nooks. The included grout brush attachment takes the hassle out of maintaining grout lines, making your floors look new again. You'll find that the Euroflex Vapour Pro M4S delivers outstanding cleaning results. Its front steam jets are engineered to dissolve stubborn stains quickly, and the dryer steam ensures your floors dry significantly faster than with traditional mops. The heated bottom plate further enhances cleaning efficiency, providing impressive outcomes every time. Thoughtful features such as handle controls for adjusting between continuous and on-demand steam output add to your experience. When you need a moment to gather your thoughts, the parking pad offers a safe resting spot while the steamer cools down, ensuring safety during use. With an array of useful attachments, the Euroflex Vapour Pro M4S empowers you to achieve a cleaner and healthier home. Take charge of your cleaning routine and relish the satisfaction of a job well done. At number 4, Dupray Neat Steam Cleaner. The Dupray Neat Steam Cleaner is a tool designed with your cleaning needs in mind. You'll appreciate how intuitive it is to operate thanks to its user-friendly design and simple attachments that are easy to put on and take off. The built-in retractable carry handle makes it convenient to transport, and its sleek modern aesthetics add a touch of enjoyment to your cleaning routine. Weighing just 9 pounds, the Dupray Neat is easy for you to maneuver even when filled with water. Its generous 54-ounce tank offers an impressive 53 minutes of continuous steam time, ensuring you have plenty of power to tackle tough messes. The pressurized steam delivers powerful blasts that make light work of grout cleaning and can effortlessly eliminate crayon and ink stains on surfaces like ceramic tile floors and quartz countertops. However, it's worth noting that storage depends on your available space. The unit's hose is not detachable, which means it may take up more room in your closet than you'd prefer. If space is at a premium, you'll want to consider this aspect. Overall, the Dupray Neat Steam Cleaner combines efficiency and ease of use, making it a reliable companion in your home cleaning arsenal. You deserve a tool that simplifies your chores and delivers outstanding results, and this steam cleaner may just be the perfect addition to your routine. Experience the power and convenience for yourself. Number 3, we have the BLACK+DECKER Steam Mop. If you're in search of a versatile cleaning tool that can simplify your routine, the BLACK+DECKER Steam Mop might be exactly what you need. Designed for multi-surface cleaning, this steam mop empowers you to tackle a wide range of surfaces throughout your home, from floors to countertops and beyond. The detachable handheld steamer allows you to effortlessly clean grime from your grill, kitchen appliances, shower walls, and even glass surfaces using the handy squeegee attachment. You'll appreciate how effective it is at removing stubborn scuffs from ceramic tiles and vinyl floors, making it a reliable ally in your cleaning arsenal. This steam mop adapts to your needs, featuring an adjustable extension pole suited for both tall and shorter users. Its mini mop head is particularly useful for cleaning confined spaces like counters and tiled walls, showcasing its innovative design. Despite its non-removable water tank, you'll find the BLACK+DECKER Steam Mop easy to manage. With impressive maneuverability comparable to the latest stick vacuums, you can effortlessly navigate through your home. Fingertip controls enable you to adjust steam settings on the fly, while the soft grip handle ensures comfort even during prolonged cleaning sessions. If you're ready to embrace a powerful, multifunctional steam cleaning solution, this steam mop will streamline your cleaning process, helping you maintain a spotless, inviting home with minimal effort. Enjoy the convenience of steam cleaning and transform your cleaning experience today. At number 2, Shark S1000 Steam Mop. The Shark S1000 Steam Mop is a practical choice for new homeowners or anyone looking to enhance their floor cleaning routine without breaking the bank. Designed with user convenience in mind, this updated model ensures that you can enjoy clean floors with minimal effort. Setting up the Shark S1000 is a breeze. All you need to do is snap the pole and top handle together and fill the removable water tank at your sink. With the steam being dispensed on demand via a button on the handle, you have control over your cleaning process. However, it's important to note that this model offers only one level of steam, which may limit its versatility compared to more advanced options. One of the standout features is its ability to lock in the upright position for easy storage, making it a practical addition to your cleaning arsenal without the annoyance of it toppling over. Plus, the 18-foot cord allows you to reach every corner of your home with ease, ensuring that no spot is left uncleaned. Overall, the Shark S1000 Steam Mop provides a great combination of simplicity, efficiency, and affordability. Whether you're tackling stubborn stains or maintaining your floors, this user-friendly steam mop will help you achieve a fresh and spotless home. With its reasonable price point and favorable design, it's an excellent investment in your cleaning toolkit. And finally, the number 1 of our list, Reliable 300 CU Steam Floor Mop. The Reliable 300 CU Steam Floor Mop is an essential cleaning tool designed to simplify your home maintenance routine while ensuring a deep, effective clean. Featuring a unique triangular swivel head, this mop effortlessly navigates tight corners and tricky spots, making it the ideal solution for those hard-to-reach areas. Equipped with a scrubber brush, it tackles stubborn, stuck-on messes and revitalizes tile grout, bringing a level of cleanliness that steam alone can't achieve. You'll appreciate the thoughtful inclusion of 2 attachments, a carpet glide for refreshing your carpets and a triangular scrub brush for targeted scrubbing. Alongside 4 microfiber pads, you'll always have a clean one ready for use, ensuring your cleaning sessions are efficient. Designed with your convenience in mind, its slim profile and large handle make carrying it up and down stairs a breeze, while the on-demand steam button is easily accessible for quick adjustments. You'll find that you hardly need to exert any effort, which is a relief after a long day. However, a minor drawback to note is the feedback from some users regarding the anti-scale cartridge's replacement process. While it can be cumbersome, the benefits far outweigh this inconvenience. Plus, when you're done cleaning, the Reliable 300 CU stands upright on its own, allowing for tidy storage. Upgrade your cleaning experience and enjoy the ease and effectiveness this steam mop brings to your home. As always, you will find all the links of these products in the description below. Comment below and tell us which steam mop you are considering. Thanks for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, then like and share this video. Also, don't forget to subscribe our channel for more amazing videos like this.